What's up guys, my name is Shreyas and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about fitness certification. Now let me try another intro. What's going on guys, my name is Shreyas and welcome back to my channel. I am an IACC certified personal trainer as well as a sports nutritionist. So you as a viewer, which would convince you more to believe me and my fitness advice? So different people are different guys. So anyways, someone asked me this question, how to get a fitness certification and how to become a certified personal trainer. Now I'll also talk about nutritionist and other things as well, but since you guys have this question, I thought why not make a video. Now you can clearly see that I used two intros. In one intro I just used my name, and in the second intro I said that I am a personal trainer, I am a certified personal trainer and a nutritionist. Now a person, a newbie who is coming into the business or coming into the fitness world would believe the second intro, the person with the second intro more, because he is certified, right? So people think that if a person is certified, that automatically makes him more knowledgeable than any other a person who is giving fitness advice. This is absolutely wrong in my opinion. So first let me tell you guys that I am a certified personal trainer and a sports nutritionist from ISSA. It was a long distance course or an online course, if I must say like that. So I passed it with flying colors, and I'll talk about that a little bit later. But now, are fitness certifications necessary? In my opinion, it can help you only in one way. The only way it can help you is if you are going to train someone in any big gym. Now Gold's Gym and Snap Fitness and even Metroflex or any other gym, right? So these gyms might ask you for a certification, because that means that you are well educated or well versed as far as your fitness knowledge is concerned. But let me give you my experience. I have been I have been doing online personal training for the past 2 years, and if I can remember, in the back of my head, 2 to 3 people have asked me, "Are you certified?" Only my online clients. Other than that, I always get comments on my YouTube channel, "Are you certified personal trainer?" Because there are certain people who talk about certifications and they proudly present themselves as a certified trainer. Well, I have a different outlook towards that. Now let me take you an example of an engineer, right? So I was also doing engineering. I might have gotten a degree. If I gotten a degree, is my knowledge great? No, I just have a degree. So just because someone has a certification degree doesn't make them great, or their knowledge, you can't just blindly believe them. So my advice is, before you follow someone's advice, you should remember that look at the explanation they are giving. If they just give a one line answer to anything, no, there should be an explanation for everything, and well backed by science. Okay, now which are the best certifications? Now there are many certifications. For Indians, there is something called K11 Academy, right? They also provide fitness certifications. Then they have, as I said, ISSA, NASM, ACE and ACSM. I don't have a lot of much idea about this, but these are some of the most popular personal training academies, right? Now, is it really worth it? Yes, it is worth it if you are going to be in the fitness industry, and that is how you are going to earn your bread. I'll tell you why. Now let's assume there is a big gym. Okay, let's assume Gold's Gym. So if you want to become a personal trainer in a Gold's Gym, most probably they are going to ask you for your education in fitness. You might have a great physique, but if you don't have the backing with a certification, maybe they won't grant you a job. But if you're starting something on your own, like how I did as a YouTube, in the form of a YouTube channel, and you share your information, most probably people will believe you, because you are giving a good explanation for everything, right? So that is how I get my clients. But if you don't have an image online and you directly go into a gym for asking for a job, most times they wouldn't offer you a job if it is a big gym. In local gyms or substandard gyms, you might get a job, but other than that, if you want to get a job in a big gym, especially in bigger cities, okay, bigger cities, I mean Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai and Bangalore, most times you might require a backing which is a certification. So how to do it? Okay, so there are many online courses. In my opinion, there are I think K11 Academy is the only one that is providing physical classes, or I must say you have to attend those classes in your city. I think it's available in Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore. I'm not sure, but that is what I have researched and what I found out. So I did from ISSA. It was an online course, and now I will tell you why every Tom, Dick and Harry is a personal trainer these days. There are 4-5 rounds in the open book exam for ISSA or most of the courses, right? For ISSA it was an open book exam. I didn't know that, so I just wrote my exam in as nice way I can. On the end day, I found out, at the end of the day, I found out that it is an open book exam. So what happened is, once I started posting about the ISSA, I started getting so many questions from my subscribers who are interested in fitness. They asked me, can I get a certification? I told, sure, go ahead. I didn't tell them it's an open book exam, but soon they found out that answers are everywhere on Google. So very simple questions, okay? The questions are very simple. Only the 5th round where you have to give a long answer is kind of difficult, which will test you a little bit. But if you have passed 12th standard, you can easily pass this exam. So in my opinion, guys, whatever knowledge I have today is not because of the ISSA certification course. So just because you have a certification, don't fly high, guys. It is nothing. There is lot more things to learn in this fitness field, okay? So it will come from experience, training a lot of people, and applying things on yourself, as well as going through literature, which means going through studies. And because every single day there are so many studies taking place and things change every single day. So I would recommend that you guys learn more, and don't think that you know everything. Learn more and more and more, and yes, get a certification just because someone might ask you, because there might be a client who might ask you, are you certified? Even though it doesn't mean shit, he might, for his own or to convince himself that he has taken a good personal trainer, he might ask you for that. So just do a certification. You can do any, guys, do it from K11 if your plan is to only be in India, because I think if you go out of India, maybe it might not be that worthful, or it might not be valued. But if your plans of going outside India, maybe UAE is a big market for personal trainers, Qatar, and all these Middle East countries are coming up, Kuwait, you know, the anabolic chicken, right? So all these countries are getting bigger and bigger as far as the fitness field is concerned. So if your goal is to get into the fitness industry, I would recommend you do a certification only if you haven't created an image for yourself. I stopped using my certification tag long back. When I got the certification, I was naive and I thought it's something big, and I posted a status on my Facebook, and people are like, wow, good, now we can believe you and all these things. But trust me, guys, it's not anything that you will have to learn, because so many things to learn in the fitness field, guys. So I might know 40% of it now. So that is what I'm applying, and I'm learning about the human body every time I train someone new, because there are so many clients who their body doesn't change, and I'll have to read more and more, why is it not changing? And that is all it is, guys, in this fitness field. The more people you work with, the more you learn. So should you do a fitness certification? Yes, if you're going, if you're trying to get into some gyms, do freelancing and train people in gyms, I would recommend you have it, because someone might ask you, because not everyone who takes personal training in the gym might watch YouTube or might be very much aware about what knowledge is, or what fitness knowledge is. You might be very knowledgeable, but they might ask you for it, okay? So that's all. If you ask me, was my 70,000 that I spent on the ISSA certification worth it? Maybe it will be worth in the future, but so far I have not found any advantage of that, because I don't even use it in any of my videos or in anywhere, right? So it's not at all necessary, in my opinion. For me, for you, it might be necessary. So this is my simple opinion on fitness certification, guys. Think about yourself. Are you well educated in this field? If you are beginner, and one more thing, guys, if you want to learn the basics, right, this can actually help you. Don't look at it as a certification, look at it as a book or something. It's not updated, most of it is not updated. The ISSA book is not at all updated, but if you are a beginner, it might help you learn about anatomy or anything. But if you have a medical student, a friend who is a medical student, take his textbook, guys. There is a lot of information, okay? So that's all I have to tell to you guys, and I hope this video will help you make a decision for yourself. fitness industry is more than just your physique. Trust me, there are so many people with great physics but they're not doing pretty well. Second thing is, don't think that just because you have certification you will fly high. No, there will be smart people who will come and test your knowledge. So I'll talk about the consumer side of fitness in the next video, but that's all for fitness certifications. I think this question was asked by Prashant Tomar. Okay, so if I mentioned your name right. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Like this video, do give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah guys, I'm a certified trainer, so you should believe me and you should take my online coaching. Just kidding. Anyways, I'll be back again, guys. Peace.